Hey there, corn enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the sweet and fascinating world of corn, specifically the delicious and sugary variety known as sweet corn. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the tastiest updates coming your way. Sweet corn, also known as sugar corn or pole corn, isn't just your regular corn on the cob. It's a unique variety with a high sugar content, all thanks to a naturally occurring mutation in its genes. Harvested during the milk stage, sweet corn is a vegetable sensation, unlike its dry and mature cousin, field corn. Now, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is sweet corn. According to the USDA, in every 100 grams of raw yellow sweet corn, you get a sweet blend of carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and a hint of protein. And did you know, it's not just about the sugar. Sweet corn brings along a variety of essential vitamins and minerals to the table. Sweet corn's journey through history is as rich as its flavour. From Christopher Columbus bringing corn seeds to Europe in 1493 to the Native American tribes cultivating sweet corn, it eventually became a beloved food in the southern and central regions of the United States. Fast forward to the 19th century, and open-pollinated cultivars like Country Gentleman and Stowell's Evergreen made their mark. The 20th century saw groundbreaking developments in sweet corn production, from the introduction of hybridization for uniform maturity to identifying gene mutations responsible for sweetness. Golden Cross Bantam, a disease-resistant hybrid, made waves in 1933, changing the game for sweet corn cultivation. Let's dive into the anatomy of sweet corn, from the caryopsis, or corn kernel, to the ear covered in husk. From Latin America to Malaysia and the Philippines, sweet corn has made its mark in diverse culinary traditions. Whether it's paired with beans in Latin America or enjoyed as pearl corn in Malaysia, the ways to savour sweet corn are endless. Did you know that cooking sweet corn can increase levels of ferulic acid, which has anti-cancer properties? Now, let's unravel the genetic mysteries behind sweet corn cultivars, from traditional open-pollinated varieties to modern hybrids like super sweet corn. We'll explore the SU, SH2 and C alleles, and how they contribute to the flavour and texture of sweet corn. And there you have it, corn aficionados, the sweet journey of sweet corn, from its historic roots to the enticing dishes on our tables. If you enjoyed this adventure into the world of sweet corn, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and let us know your favourite sweet corn dish in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today on If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Hit that subscribe button and we'll keep serving up the juiciest content. Until next time, stay sweet and keep exploring the incredible flavours our world has to offer. See you in the next video.